The number one reason people lose attraction to their partner isn't looks, money, or personality fiss. It's something you do every single day without thinking.
Good personal hygiene sounds simple. Just keep your body clean. But it quietly shapes something powerful. It might seem like a simple equation, yet cleanliness has a significant impact on a partner's desire to find, and on intimacy itself. Sweat builds up on the skin when someone doesn't shower regularly, creating a warm, humid environment. Bacteria feed on the molecules in that sweat and produce byproducts with a strong, unpleasant odor. Here's the surprise. Sweat itself is essentially odorless. It's the interaction with bacteria that actually creates the smell. Gender, diet, body hair, and certain health conditions can all affect how strong body odor becomes. Even unwashed hair traps oils and can create a noticeable scalp odor of its own. And make no mistake, these unpleasant smells can significantly turn off a partner's libido. Food particles trapped between the teeth decompose, creating a perfect breeding ground for bacteria. That bacteria is one of the leading causes of chronic bad breath. Poor dental hygiene, like tooth decay and gum disease, can make breath odor even worse. Dirt and grime on clothing, along with long, dirty nails, all add to an overall sense of uncleanliness. Odor in the genital area, in both men and women, is very often linked to poor hygiene.
This is typically caused by the buildup of a natural substance called smegma.
Smegma is a mixture of dead skin cells, natural oils, and sweat that collects in the body's skin folds.
On its own, it usually isn't a health problem still. But bacteria can grow in it, causing an unpleasant smell.
For women, some degree of natural odor is completely normal and nothing to worry about.
The body maintains a delicate balance of good bacteria that keeps this area healthy on its own.
In fact, it's self-cleaning the starteds, and does not need to be washed on the inside, even with water.
Some internal cleansing routines can actually do the opposite of what's intended is, and make things worse. Washing internally can disrupt the natural balance of flora and even lead to serious infections. This balance naturally shifts with the monthly cycle and other normal changes in the body. Small daily habits protect both your health and your relationships. If this helped, subscribe to Aris. New videos every Monday.